Hello. 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 You are a good boy. Hi. Come. Joseph, look what you got. You got a package today. You're a good boy, Carl? Yes, you are a good boy, Carl. You can come out. Joseph, look what you received. Received a package from one of your fans. I don't know who sent it. You see this? Oh, it's heavy. This one. It's for you. Yeah. No, I didn't buy it for you. Sorry, Joseph. You don't need to give kiss today. You're a good boy, yeah, Chara. Good job. Yeah. Unfortunately, Daddy didn't buy it for you. One of your fans bought it. Yes, one of your fans, but it's not peanut butter though. It's not peanut butter. Yeah, maybe it's peanut butter. You never know. Okay, you don't need to give me cash. Yeah. Yes, you're a good boy. Shower. You think you getting gift for being good boy and having shower? Yeah. Alright. Listen. I know. Listen, one of your fan bought it for you, okay? So I know you cannot say thank you, but you can say hi to that fan who bought it for you. Say okay, hi, thank you. Thank you for what you bought for me. Yeah, say okay, thank you, bye. Not bye, hi, hi. Okay, let's open it, huh? Do you wanna open it? Let's get open it and see what's in there, huh? Yeah. Down. Good job. Okay, step down. Let's open it. Huh? Let's see. That's our address so your fans can see. That's the address where they can send you a gift if they would like to. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for whoever sent this gift. We still don't know who sent it, but we are going to figure it out. Maybe there's some message in there, right? Yeah, don't go up, don't go up. You're going to open it. We are going to open it, I think. Do I have my key here? Do you have a key? Huh? Yeah, I have a screw here. Open it with the screw. Ready to open? Yeah? You wanna see what's in there? Okay, let's open it. Let's open it. Good boy had a shower inside his cage. He was a good boy. He received the package, huh? Yeah? You received the package, Joseph? No, it's really difficult to have one hand recording and one hand opening and my body holding Joseph. You are a good boy, good boy. Okay, you ready, Joseph? Yeah, calm down, calm down. Calm down when I open it you can see what's in there. Alright, go down. Yes, you're a good boy, shower. Okay, let's see what's in there. Ready, Joseph? Joseph, ready? Yeah? Okay, do you want to open it and see what's in there? Oh, go open it. Go open it, see what's in there. Come here, peanut butter is over here. Joseph, peanut butter is here. Jojo, come. No, don't go for my gloves. Joseph, you cannot go for that. No. You cannot go. You cannot go to Daddy's club. No. You know that. You know that's Daddy's club. Be good boy. Okay? Good boy always stay out. Okay? Okay, good boy. Come on. Let's go. Let's go open it and see what's in there. Oh, look. Oh my god, you got your peanut butter. What you ask? Is that peanut butter? Or natural? Nature's nuts? Nature? Nuts almond. I think it's natural almonds. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, that's almond butter, I guess. Joseph. Joseph. Daddy going to eat your almond butter. Just kidding. Okay. Yes. Here. Oh my god, Joseph. Look, that's almond. Smooth, natural almond butter. That's almond butter. Yeah, you wanna try? You wanna try almond butter? Oh my god. Don't make a mess on that, you okay? Under this jacket. Ah, smells so delicious. That's why you like it. You know what you want to eat. Hmm? Delicious? You like it? Do you like your almond butter? Hmm? Okay. Now let's see what else you got toys over there. Joseph. Good toys. There you go. A gift from Debbie. Miss watching you, Jojo. You are a beautiful bird. I think about you when I see a cockatoo video on Facebook from Debbie Murphy. So you mean, Debbie, you're not watching us, but you're sending gift for Joseph? Doesn't make sense. You're watching Joseph. There you go. Oh my god, thank you so much, Debbie. Joseph will destroy it in half an hour. He's so fast to destroying, chewing, right? Look what you got. You like it? Hmm? Let's go have it inside your cage so you can start chewing it. Alright. You can start chewing it, Joseph. Okay, how to open this? Is it open? Okay, now it's open. Let's go. Ugh. Here you go. Yeah. There you go. Now you have something new to see. What is that? Thank you so much, Debbie. Do you want to go and start chewing? Hmm? You're a good boy? Hmm? What? Yeah, you're a good boy. What do you want? Hmm? Do you want to eat salad with Daddy? Does it want to have salad with Daddy? Huh? Bird, 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 bird. Yes. You want to play throw? You want to play throw with your gloves? Yeah? Your black gloves? 1, 2, 3. Throw it. Throw. Just throw. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it, Joseph. Oh, be careful. Throw. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Hmm? Wait. You wanna see Clavi? I love you, Joseph. Let's go out. Joseph, let's go out. Let's go out. I love you, Joseph. Okay, bye. Bye bye. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peek peekaboo. Whoa. Oh. The lighting is like that. Okay. Peekaboo, where is it? Wait. Yoo-hoo. Throw it. Nice throw. Nice catch. This way. Throw it this way. Yoo-hoo. This way. Yes. Throw it. Throw it. No, don't scream like that. Throw. Throw. Say throw. Oi, throw this way. Throw. Throw. Oi. Throw it. Nice throw. This way. This way. This way, Joseph. Jump. Jump with it. Yes, like that. other one. Who's that? You can go. You wanna play with this too? Wait. Try. Wow. Now you got two things to throw. Oh. Oh, throw. What was that? What was that? Oh, that was Ginger. Ginger. It was Ginger. Ginger. It was Ginger. Did you see Ginger?